lithemba lemuntu longafuni kutimbandzakanya nabo sonkondlo? Lini lithemba lemuntu longafuni kulandzelela lihlelo tandla nenkondlo? Batawube sebathi ngiyabalisa. Angibingelele ngifise kwemukele mbukeli elihlelweni lakho lolithandzako lalihamba embili eSathile TV na7 lonke nje tandla nenkondlo libito lami ngingifortunate ngwamabuza ngiyahle ukuthi wena uvile mani weva ukuthi hayi man fortune poet boso memete lapho. Anyways ngidawuta ngilokhayela kahle inkondlo kuleli viki litako namhla ke mbukeli njengoba sihlale sikulethela bosonkondlo bala ekhaya eSathile nebantu labentayo nemisebenzi etandla cha sichubeke njalo thina siphumile kumkhankaso saya khona emakolishi zawuhlola ukuthi khona khamba kanjani bagcina le eprimary noma bese sebachubeka sakhanza ukuthi hayi bosonkondlo hayi bayatimisela abantu abentayo nemisebenzi etandla bachubeka batimisele. Namhla ke lihlelweni sina caregiver long sonkondlo lo lapha ekwaluseni utasilayela ke caregiver ukuthi yena nakathi ngisonkondlo usesengisonkondlo mbamba noma sokuqale kwenta tintfo letinye letibhekele kepha ke mina lokungithusile mbukeli ukuthi caregiver ufundzela intfo lehlukile kune poetry. Anyways ihlala ke mbukeli umlaleli umuve ukuthi caregiver caregiver nje usachubeka kahle inato inkondlo.
Lord, this is not a poem, but it's an anthem. An anthem to mend all those broken hearts, revive all those thirsty souls, quench them with your word, give them your sword and bring them to your presence. For Lord, we are at your mercy. You said in your book, you are the salt of the world, but no longer bring any flavor. Our taste is running out. We are a lost generation with happy snapped with iPhones and Androids, bought and brought to us by those who claim to be you by giving us blessings. The blessings which you have to pay for by your temple being trampled on. I mean the blessings that require us to give in order to receive. Redeem us, O God. Lord, shine your light, for we are looming in the darkness, going forward and backwards, until you unconsciously land into words and consciously into cells, since we snatch our own freedom and give the remote to the heads of homestead so that they may control us and claim that we are the staring at the center. But no, we are only side chicks being snacked like chips, and we blame the devil for being evil instead of coming to you. Lord, it's a pattern. Mtali, simlinza kanjani umyeni tinhliziyo yethu lelithamba. Thina safuna ukuthi phindisela ngalo nelithembele lakho. These are words of a young lady that came crawling in tears to the altar when the pastor was calling an altar call, and I saw the spirit of lust being uplifted and lasted on the pastor. Lord, are you sure this is the land you wanted us to live in? Is this a generation you said in your word would go to the world with more power than the apostles? God, the devil is revealing our nakedness. Shed your light to brighten our ways for now on wicked ways. Our humility is being mocked with all the gates of hell without our consent. Mtali, ngewethu emandla sehlulekile. Le ndlela idzinga emandla lavela kulongetulu ngisho ingadlangala leyayikhona umhlaba ungakabi khona. God, I can't continue with this poem, but I want to speak prosperity to those who have lost hope. Hang in there. I want to break all those chains of darkness, chains of drugs, chains of jealousy. You know your chain. I want to free those in the cells of fear. Now you are free. You are free from those countless I receive while digging deeper into your pockets. You are free from those securities guarding your life. Go out there and broadly tell them, I am me. You are free from hypocrisy. In fact, let me pray. The Lord is our shepherd. We cannot want. Even though we walk through the valley of snakes, we call friends. Even though we walk through the valley of witchcraft, even though we walk through the valley of family feuds, we fear nothing. We fear nothing. Oh Lord, amen.
Caregiver, welcome to Tandla Nenkondlo. Siyajabula kuba nawe. Please vusela umbukele ekhaya usho ukuthi ngubani wakabani uqhamuka kuphi.
Sanibulani babukele emakhaya. Caregiver ngumnakekeli wakaDube Sibongo uqhamuka eSteki kaLanga.
Oh, ngumnakekeli. Lokusho ukuthi caregiver uqhamuka la kumnakekeli.
Yes.
Okay, ufika kanjani ekubeni caregiver? Udetha wena ekubeni ubone ukuthi igama lami lithi mnakekeli noma kunemuntu lo wathi hayi man wena ungaba ngicaregiver ngoba ungisonkondlo?
Okay, basically caregiver, it was a name I was given by my teachers esikolweni.
Okay.
That's it, like, no, when you're nakekela vele kama likufanele. Kahle you are caregiver, and then they started calling me caregiver kusukela lapho, and then I decided to use it. No, I'm being caregiver. Sithanda sami sakatsena. Sawubona singane sami. Maye bengikuthanda. Nawe bongitha ngabe ngisengaleti mithi. Wena bothanza likhikhi lami belihlale licumbile nalele kubohla wasesoqumba mina. Sibabili siyasazi sizathu sakho sekungishiya kufake asikho lapho namuhla. Mina nawe besingekho emathamveni ngoba besisemdlalweni besidlala iCrazy 8 mane wena bopholo bo8 nabo 7 labanyenti ngoba bekucela wena toti futhi netikhalo takho betitatilekelene dithela lo mfombo longashi lokobhoda noma kushisa. Bathi love is blind vele bacinisile ngoba nami akhulisi through you ukuthi yinto into takho ngami kahle kahle. Cha. Ungabakhohlisa bonga leti nyembe tengwenya uthi uva buhlungu ekulahlekelwa ngimbo ngithanza. Sibabili siyathi ukuthi ubuhlungu lobuva ukulobe kulahlekelwa iswazi bank yakho lapho khona ubonisa imali noma nini ngaphandle kwelikhadi. Uyakhumbula ukuthi ngusnetfo naye wakho. Hayi, sekuyacaca manje ukuthi bongasho kimi khona lebosho kuye ngoba angikhumbuli sihamba kanye emvuleni. Ngikhumbule phela mamasi. Mina angikhumbuli sichitha ngisho lilanga sikanye. Cha phela wena dali bakini bebafa baphila. Labanye bafe phinze bavuke. Angithi bohlezi ulungiselela umngcwabo esinini sakho. Ungakhathateki sengilati lonke leqiniso. Angithi wena bongcwaba esibeni semvotsa wena ungula lolata kimi. Vele tshani lobele buvusa ngomlilo. Sengivukile ke nami. Njengoba ngibhale incwadi kusho kona ukuthi sengixolile ngikhumbula ungiyenga uthi udongitayela axolile ngoba maketala wakho uthanza emamfombatana. Cha sekuyakhanya manje ukuthi bongasho lo wami ubonga noma ngabe yini levelile akafani nawe wena bosola imilo letingulungwane nangabe sengikuphe inkulungwane emalangeni. Uyatibona kodwa ukuthi udlalile ngami emlangeni. Lona ngiluphi lolikhawa lemalangeni bothi utangibophisa lona. Mineke ngiyakuxolela manje engcombeni yami kusazula bioscope wakho phela wena bongumlingisi ogcamile kulo lonke leli film. Hayi ngiyakunika sicoco mina ngibonga sifundo lo ngifundise sona nje kuphela. Ngifunzile ngokuthi uma ufaka yekuta kufuna ufake nemlilo ngoba timbasha tisithi ngangena tibhashe umlilo kucishe ifoni bese awusatholakali.
Ungilo sonkondlo lo gcila eSwatini noma esingisini?
Angibhala ngato ngithule etilweni. At times ngiyokhanza ukuthi ngingafaka isingisi neSiswati in one poem. At times ngibe singisi kuphela. At times ube Swati kuphela.
Okay. Emandla akho uyayiweve ungathi mani ngakuphi na ubhala. Mani ngekubhaleni tebhlungu, telithando, tekujabula wenda kanjani lapho?
Angeke ngisho ukuthi emandla mani ngakuphi because I draw my inspirations from different aspects of life. Lokhanza nje ukuthi nanyo nje ngibona tingoma bese ngiba inspired to write something I write. Ukhanza okay nasahamba emgwaqweni kwaloko ngangijabulisa and then ngiba inspired to write something I write. So lokho at times ngiyabhekana ukuthi okay ibo ma breakups ngithando nempilo nje so ngithe ukuthi emandla angakuphi mina solonge ezikuphathelana nempilo.
Lokusho ukuthi nje umbukela kakwethembi nakakubita emcimbini wakhe lothide utamendela lento.
Ngoma ngabe ngophi bake banginika le challenge leyo I once got a booking as spa sometime last year. Banginika le challenge ukuthi sikunika lesitolo sicale nini saya kuphi nini
mayibabe
nawe icala kanjani kule nto le but ke solonge sikunemali utangibhadara hayi mina nginakwentela.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, so speaking of kwenda kuphila ngepoetry yakho. Ungathini kulabanye bosonkondlo ngoba ngiyayidibana nalabanye bosonkondlo bathi no mina kuba ipoet ngwendisa lithando lwako. Akhohle lo muntu ukuthi yathi ngacosha ngithole sinkwa ngaleli talent alenginayo. What can you say to them, giving them an advice ukuthi kumele bente njani baphume babhekephi?
I mean what I can say to them ukuthi they must give a craft yabo skhathi like because lokhu babulala labo sonkondlo labanye. Sibulawa ukuthi thine bese siyaditshela. Kanti ukuthi ndawuphefumula abangani bami noma ngibhala inkondlo ngikhombisa abangani bami basibangani bami usilwane of which angisiso silwane nje ngiyatiphucela nje ngithi ibhekelele esigangeni so bahlelo ukungitshela liqiniso. I would advise ukuthi bathole somebody look like same industry bamnike maybe so ngibukelela and bakhona lokufundiseka because ilikhotsha lisemandi naselomile bese seliyaphuka. Yabo bakhona lokufundiseka ukuthi onakathi nje okay yathi lana hayi akusiko angabe usucubhile umlomo ngoba lo munye usinomtshela ukuthi okay lokho akusiko avela ucubhile umlomo or athi hayi ungitshela kusoyathi. So I will say ukuthi batnike isikhathi ngecraft yabo ba focus ecraft yabo ba rehearse, keep on writing, keep on rehearsing. Now lokho abasitha
Mina labafuna ke kukusupport caregiver bakuthola kanjani bakuthola kuphi?
Okay, on Facebook Nagegel Dube, and then on TikTok it's Poet Caregiver. And as ungangishela ke ngesonombolo yami it's 78284345. amaphiciphici. Adam wasinakacamba lihlobo letinyoka wakhohlwa lihlobo lebangani. Ingani ngoba nihlilitheka nawe nawuflathela nathi ngawe letiya wena ungafuna ukuthi uthando lwabo ngawe lutiyile kuhle kwelitiyela kanti ayikho lembo. Akunalutho lapha ngaphandle kwenzondo. Labantu laba phethe tikhali tibukhali bafuna ukukhalisa bakugwaze ungakagadi angisidingwazi tingacocodzeli veleke nawe ucabanga ukuthi bangakujikela kanti cha labantu laba jikijelana ngawe ulibhola laba baphaselana wena. Sine situngulo tehlathi letshani lifuna umlilo khona kutovela onke lamabulula sihacile wona lashaya slow poison kancane aluma anamathele singakagadi sine sibe sishasuba sithi sinebangani kanti sinetimbangi labantu laba kukhula basibangisa kona. Bahlala njalo bagadze kwakwethu khona ke batovuka ngathi encenjena bagadze ukuthi ngibhimbele inkondlo. Encenjena bagadze ukuthi ngibhimbele inkondlo khona batawuthola batawusukusula ngako ebusuku ngana bangivetela tinyembe tengwenye ngase bathwalisana kanye nami kanti bafele ngami bangichuba phambili bangikhomba ngemini. Sine suke sakhipha batefu satkhiphela kubantu labadayisa liphephandzaba letindzaba tetfu singathi angithi phela thine solo sithi sinebangani kanti bona boJudasi bahamba bayosidayisa ngemuva babuye bento engasibasandza lalomvini bathi badzimade basicabuze esihlathini kanti nabakhulumela emahlathini bavumela ngalolo phawu bathengi babo labantu laba sihloma elithini kude sibone ngumhlaba ongana kanye netinkinga tetfu. Itolo ngidibana umhlobo wami akhala wathi kimi ufuna kungitshela imfihlo yakhe. Ngathi mina cha, qhubeka uyigcina ngithi yakho. Ungangithembi mina, kepha themba litshe ngoba lona angeke kwenteke ukujikela. Wathi kimi, Caregiver akusenani vele kude la ngasathi isimo sami. Liphutha lami kuthemba umuntu bengizingumngani wami, kanina sitha sami, bengimtshela tonke imfihlo tami, kanina uhamba atenta muhle ngami, acela ukuya ethunjini ngami. Yini angavela ngathatha umukha wangigwaza. Ngathi mina cha ukugwazile manje ukugwaze ngemuva naku soyopha manje uphela ngekhathi ngathi sukuma uphokophele empumelelweni khohla ngaleso kwentekile itolo angeke sisakhona ukukushintsha kepha tishintshe wena kwase kuyafika kimi ukuthi sonke silimele silinyetwe bangani kepha vele kusemhlabeni la umngani sibili uNkulunkulu. Mineke umngani nami liphepha nelisiba nangilimele ngikhale ephepheni ngikhale ngelisiba kudzimade kuphile bamvu mina ngiyite bangani kepha kunabomnakefu nabodzadze wethu angisi nabomelbest kuyashintsha ebusuku kuthiwe this thing must stay in between us nemvombi yalomunye lapho wena usibahlanganise bungani kanti bona sibahlanganise tintfo labatenta ngasese ngetitfo tangasese kudzimade kuvele kufazo kuthatha tinyanga letiyimfica mina ngiyekele ngemaphiciphici.
Mdali simlinza kanjani umyeni ibe tinhlitiyo tethu tiphulwe luthando cha akusiwe malayini ami malayini akhe caregiver ngethemba mbukela ukuthi utithokotele tinkondlo takhe futhi ke ungasabi ukuchumana naye caregiver utofunza mina ngiyatlo ukuthi wena yalangadelela lokufunda utochubeka ukuthi ube ngile poet lo office kuba ngiyo sitabahlala ketitolo uhlale phansi ungayenzanga ngwana sibuya naye lo wenda umsebenzi wetandla. Bukela ihlelo tandla nenkondlo siyabona ukuthi wena ukhethile wahlala phansi wathi cha angiyinzawo ngiyabukela ihlelo tandla nenkondlo ngoba uyade ukuthi ngeke phela kulowe ukuthi wena songabukela sonkondlo kuphela kumele ufunze lo wenda umsebenzi wetandla. Namhla ke sivakashele eScott nasifika eScott sakhanza ukuthi kunemfunzi lothi yena oy-artist uthe ke u-sketch artist bengicala ke kuva umuntu lothathu sketch artist. Welcome to the show and please introduce yourself to the viewers at home.
Thank you. My name is Phyllis Mnisi. Ngifunza eScott. Ngenda umnyaka wami wokugcina. Ngenda Human Resources Management under Business Administration. Kepha ke njengoba sathi sinawo emakhono lapha nalapha. Ngingumdwebi ke. Bancane ke labo ema-females noma besifazane laba lengibatiko. Labadwebako, and I am one of them. And namuhla ngitfole isimemo from loluhlelo tandla nenkondlo and ngaloko bengithi nje angidlulise kubonga kakhulu.
Okay, yeah, nasisacoca, you told me that you are Raindrop, the sketch artist.
Yes.
Ngisho kahle. Wafika kanjani lapho? Is it ligama lo wakhula vele bakubita ngalo ekhaya or uthi nasokhulile ezusahamba then you came across it? Yeah.
Ngiwa kaMnisi.
Oh, okay.
Ngilithonsana lendvula. So
Okay.
basically that's what inspired my stage name. That's why ngabe sesingikhetha ukubita nga Raindrop.
Okay.
So ngasho nje ukuthi indlela lengathola ngayo igama lami nguleyo. I'm someone who is well vested noma lothanzako ithanza identification noma i-signature yabo.
Okay.
Kuthi mina ngithanda ukuthi ningadinga lokho and yonke into yami lengiyendako ine meaning behind. So basically
Okay, siyabona umsebenzi wakho lomuhle lo udrawako. Soneminyaka lemingaki udrawa and wafika kanjani ekudrawing?
kulomnyaka ngitawu minyaka leng-25.
Okay.
Shathi ngisasena 24 because iminyaka ngiyaphuta kuhlanganisa.
Okay.
And ngaqala ukudweba precisely nangikhumbula kahle when I was 10.
Oh wow.
Ngaqala ukudweba kwami. And ngicala ukudweba kwami ngaqala sadlala ngangithathe nje i-magazine yebantfana ngithi because kusukela esikolweni like primary being very good at practical arts and bengibona indlela lengidweba ngayo yabona kuloko amabhokisi nabathi dweba umuntu lana ngithi no, you know what, ase ngiyithathe le magazine but angingatrace angiyithathe nje ngikope ngithi ngiyakopa ngibona umuntu aphuma ngiyakhumbula umuntu waqala lengamtshengisa kwakungibaba wami ngiyagijima ngafike ngamtshengisa wathi hawu uyakwazi ukudweba ngicabanga ukuthi esikhathini lesiningi lokhu ngicugcudele ukuthi ngize ngigcine ngifike kulesigaba lesine ngifike kiso bantu labanginikete i-support isikhathi lesiningi ngumndeni wami.
Okay.
Kude nje lengathi ekhaya akayi-acknowledge i-talent yami because ngimi kuphela khona kudweba akathi kusinte kanjani mhlambe ngafuta yena babe angathi ngoba ngihle ngibona adwebile khona nalapha nalapha so ngiva sengathi lokhu ngithethe kwangibeka lana ngiyo i-support lengiyithole emndenini wami more especially my parents and my siblings ngoba nabo bakile bazama ukungifunela ama-initiatives afanawo nalawa so ngathanda nje ukubonga kakhulu isikhathi.
Okay. Utati buta umbukeli kokuthi hawu Philiswa uyadrawa esikoleni la esikothi yini la ifunzelako because lomnye umuntu uyaye athi mina ngikhule ngikuthanda lokudrawa. Vele nase ngichubeka ngifunza ngiyofunzela i-fine art.
Sangathini impilo nje ikuthathe kubeke khona lapha yabo. Empeleni ngangifuna ukufunzela i-architecture.
Okay.
Eqinisweni lonke nje selipheleni. Kodwa ke kwaba nedingqinamba lapha nalapha ngakhanza ukuthi sengifika esigabeni sokuthi ngihambe ngiyofunzela i-human resources management. But nayo ngekuhamba kwesikhathi sengidikhanze sengiba nalo lithando lwayo and ngadikhanza sengithi you know what nangiphuma ngifuna ukufeatherisha ngifuna kuba nje ka business yabo.
Okay.
Kepha ke angilahli ikhono lami ngihamba nalo.
Okay. Speaking of kungalahli ikhono lwakho, are you doing art as a hobby or part-time job lo diphilisa ngayo?
Kwanyalo bekusengabi info lengdiphilisa ngayo.
Okay.
Bekusengukuthi nje ngine-passion ngiyakuthanda ukudweba and angidiboni ukuthi mhlambe kuyinfo lengingabe sesengiyikhweshisela eceleni. Angikhoni nje vele lokuphila ngaphandle mhlawumbe kuyendeka ngihlale isikhathi leside ngingadwebi 6 months to a year as long as you can think. Kepha mhlazana ngibamba ipencil kubuya konke so angikhoni ukuphila ngaphandle kwako kuyinfo nje mhlambe kutawufika ikhathi lapho ngidiva ngikhathadeke kakhulu sengiva sengathi you know what ngifuna nje ukwehlisa umoya ngithathe iphepha lami ngithathe ipencil yami ngidwebe le ndlela leyo nje khamba tonke thinkinga ngidiva ngikhulekile kuyinfo nje le phila la ngakhathi kimi.
Okay.
Angidiboni ngiphila ngaphandle kwakho.
Okay. Alright, naku-ke nyalo sinemvebo wena uthi cha naku i-support ngeva ukuthi uyayitfola nasesikoleni intandla kade ivulile but uthi wena cha mina ngidawubeka nje shelfini mina ngigadiframela umvebo wami naku-ke emaswadi atawufisa ku-supporta Philiswa udrawa ngani and ema-portraits akho noma titfombe letinye lotendako utenda kanjani, what inspires you nangita nesitfombe yini nami, can you do it? Noma utothi wena no as an artist ngidakudesignela what comes from me.
Okay, esikhathini lesiningi bengiyaye ngende something that comes from my imagination.
Okay.
Kepha-ke of late ngoba okay recognition bese ngicala kuyitfola sekuba nebantu-ke labafuna ama-commissioned drawings ngicela ungidwebe and then njengoba ubona phambi kwakho kunalesithombe saMphane Nkosi Tsanze Masiko nguye lona. Ngiva sengathi I'm flexible to do anything basically. Nangabe uthi kimi ngicela ungendele i-landscape ke tihlahla tinthaba bese soyangiframela ngifuna kusithenga lesithombe ngihambe ngiyohlobisa ngaso kami ngidinkinga nalapho ngicela ungidwebe ungikhiphe nje ngale ndlela lengayo nalapho ngidinkinga. I'm a flexible person and angiboni like ingqondo yami ayingilimit tandla thing because sandla sisebenzisana nengqondo. So what if this is flexible sandla automatically is more flexible, so ngathi nje ngibanjiswa.
Okay, so ufocusa kudweba black and white or ne-color uyayifaka nakudzingekile uyayiwende kanjani?
Kwanyalo bengisasefocuse ekudwebeni ngepencil ne-charcoal ne-pen here and there.
Okay.
Nangifuna kwenta ama-outlines. Bengisasengabi nje umuntu lo lofaka i-color here and there because ngiva ngathi like umsebenzi wami ungi-inspiration now in black and white.
Okay.
Kepha-ke I'm looking to venture into painting canvases nasengindlondlobalisa based on my talent.
What advice can you give to umfundzi losahambe esigaba lesithe waze wafika kwi-university njengawe losolo alifihla likhono lakhe?
Ngingathi nje noma ngabe kulikhona kangakanani find a way to get yourself out there because mina ujoyina i-Court Theatre and Arts angizange ngumuntu ngayibona nje ivela egroupini yesikole ngathi nayi info yami ngoba mina ngisemuntu wama-sports angizange sengikhanzina ngalinye nje la ngithi ngiyashukuma vele ngingumuntu wema-club. Previously bengenda nje i-debate so ngathi hawu naleli thuba lami ngangenela keke ngathi nangifika hawu ngakhandwa ukuthi ngiyemukeleka keke umsebenzi wami ke uya-acknowledgeka so ngingasho nje ukuthi go out there and try and find opportunities. Opportunities awedi kuwe. The door doesn't come to you, you go to the door and you knock. So uyangqongqotha uvulelwe then uvele nje ubona intimbo zatitendakalela ungathi ukuthi awuhloko sekwenteka kanjani manje but nje abangahlali ungabi comfortable kuhlala enzaweni yinye for a very long time.
Sitakutfola kanjani ngePhiliswa? Siyafuna ukufollowisha ku-social media, your social media itaba flooded ngemsebenzi wakho wetandla lo wendawo sitawufuna ukufollowisha phinze nathi thina le singakhona ukufinyelela social media sitawufisa ukuthinza Philiswa sendele ema-portraits sikutfola kanjani phinze utfolakala kuphi nangabe ngifuna ukuthi akuwe physically?
Okay, kwanyalo ngisase-based eScott. Kepha kuze mathutane ngiyacomplete la spot so ekhaya kusembolonjeni so ngiwasembabane kahle angisuki lana and ke nginawo onke lama social media platforms. Okay, ngingasho ukuthi nginawo onke because ngite Twitter, ngina Instagram, ngina Facebook. Ka Facebook ngiphiliswa ngwakamnisi, just Philiswa Mnisi njena na ufuna kungi-inboxela ngiphiliswa ngwakamnisi. And ka Instagram it's at Liswa M, and it's a double letter L for some reason, Liswa then _ M. Unga reach again khona ke My contact details are me, 79220119, and MTN is 78391962.
Hayi cha mina ngathi ukuthi lesitha lokusikhathi siyawucedwa yini siyawuhanjiswa ngubani ngake ngasechibeka sekulethela bosonkondlo balila ekhaya eSwatini kanye nalabo labentayo nimisebenzi yetandla kepha-ke ngiyethemba mina ngiyathi futhi ukuthi mbukelo nakuningi lokufundzile wabona futhi ukuthi hayi man ngafa kushayeka lamvasi kanti ngiyangiblind ngakuba ngisonkondlo. Mina ngiproud ngawe ngoba wena utawuchube kube nguye sonkondlo ba entertain ungagcini ke ngeke ba entertainer kuphela basite phela nalaba labanye labafisile ukuthi basitakale basite nguye sonkondlo losafundzile yathi nje kuba ngisonkondlo nesitifiketi kuba iartist lenesitifiketi uthi nawe uhamba utive man ukuthi wahamba sonkondlo sitabona naye mbukele evikini elitayo ngasesikhathi esifana go goodbye and God bless.